regular task. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So I'm just here to analyze the Asia session. So what kind of move just came today is like really rocking. The volume we literally don't expect from the Asia that it just given us is a lot comparison to the past times. And but it's a really nice move. If somebody's doing the Asia session, it's really good for them. So so what the lines are, I'm just marking down the previous day high and low, and then going to the 15-minute time frame, and then tell you guys what is just happened on the first few hours of the Asia session, and then I'm also gonna show you how the volume is doing from the previous week, the last week POC, value area highs, value area lows. So we're just doing the POC first. I'm just gonna mark the volume of the last week just for this candle to this week. So this whole candle, the green one from 43.20 to 41.11, is the previous week price range. And so the reason for marking is the previous week candle for volume is just want to let you know like how the volume is reacting. I just have to do some settings in the volume area so it will be easily to see the POC. I'm just turning the POC to the black one, and then the rest would be the same. And so this is like my regular analysis, like how I do it, how I start my day. So from here, so I always put like two POCs. So first one is from the last week, and one is for the current day. So everything's done. So I'm just gonna add a text right up here. So these two lines, we're gonna see it easily like what they are. So I'm just gonna add a text right here. So this is uh, low. So I'm just gonna write PND, not whole. Previous day low, and again on top right here is just the day high. It's gonna write previous day high. So this is just like a preparation. So what the Asia did is today over here at 44.84, there's like a strong point of control, where like the highest order placed executed at this place from last week. So that's why I just mark it. It's just like a strong area point. That's why we got a reversal from here. So it's all came down and sweep the previous day high. Previous day low. So if you go to 1 daily time frame, so here is just where it's marked. It's just like the previous day low, and here's like the previous day high. So whole movement that came today, and now we're going to the 15-minute time frame. Then you're gonna see there is. I'm just gonna take this off for some time, and then so from here you just see a little bit of sweep. This is like the very first candle of the 15 minutes. If we go to a 5-minute time frame, then you're gonna see we saw a sweep here, just right here at 6:05, and there's your previous day high. what the what mostly people did is, I guess, so it's just on the top of EMA, people buy it from here, and if they execute it right there, because this movement is like for 5 minutes count is really high, it's really fast, so it's not easy to execution with your system, but this is a fake out for, so don't trade the first 30 minutes. Always look what is happening in the market, let the market run, set the range at least for first 15 or 30 minutes, and then after that you can see after the EMA cut off, the candles are going down from this side, and you can see literally the volume right down there. It's turned red, and then here's the move comes. So liquidity sweep from here at 44, 45, 49, 45, 50, and then they got the money. They took the SL from the previous traders, and then they got enough liquidity to go down. So this is just like a huge move from there. So mostly what you have to do is what I did in this trade. I just show you what I did it. I just took a short position right down here after the EMA cut, and then I just took it only to this position, and my SL is on the previous high, and boom, your TP got hit. I just made like $1,000 today, no more than that. I just have like a FTM. I just bought an FTM demo account for $200,000. There's like a two step challenges on it, and then have to pass it. So I'm just gonna make another series on that, but like just for now, we are doing the SES session. So, and also wanna talk to you about the reversal that we got up here. The reason behind this reversal is the point of control of the last week. Not today, not tomorrow. It's about the last 7 days, where the institutions are trading on this spot. All the major moves. If you see from Tuesday in the New York session, we got a nice short side position. Everybody's buying, trend is for buying, but like as I am a reversal trader, so I always do the reverse. If the things are going, always, but trend is your friend. Yeah, always let's follow the trend. If you're following trend, that is fine. But like, I always thinking about my SL, cause stop loss, the if your stop loss is low, you can do whatever you want to do. You can take high risk, and then like from here, the POC is right there. It's got down, boom, 30-40 pips, easily. Always take like 1 or 2% of stop loss. Always take like 1 or 2% of risk in your trades, no more than that. Like if your capital is 100,000, take $1,000 of risk, 1,000, 1,500, no more than that. And then again, the POC, the cutoff, they go up, they go down. So always think about volume. Volume never give you fake out. Also like the price action, and the most important thing, the EMA. If your EMA, because lots of trading gurus, they told you like this and that. If you know nothing about trading, just use the EMA. Whichever you want to do. It depends on which time frame you're trading. If you're doing like 5 or 15-minute time frame, just try to do the 15. EMA, I always use 15. If you want to see a crossover, use 921. Use 2 if you're like not really good at it. Use 2 EMAs, and you can also use MACD if you want to. So the reversal is which comes on. I forgot about saying it, but like If you see a reversal down there, 44.83, there's like a point of control up there. Buyers are aggressive over here because we see there's like a lot of buyers. There's like a lot of trading fluctuations right up there. So we got was moved to both sides from this price, 44.85. So again, we see a 44.85 right up there. Like if you wanna see, I will also upload a shot on this trade, like how I traded it, and yeah, that's it. So with this line, this is like the previous day low. So they take the previous day liquidity, and it's gone. It's gone to the up. So the whole move, the whole the whole liquidity sweep from the top, it came to the bottom, and then from the bottom it goes to the top. So don't complicate your trades. Keep it simple, keep it nicer, and good luck for the New York session. Maybe I come live in the London one also, but I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, thank you guys.